Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a token on Solana using MyCoinLab and add liquidity in just a few minutes, so let's get started. Okay, head over to MyCoinLab in the homepage where you'll see create token and create liquidity buttons. But first let me show you the latest feature, trending. Here you can copy trending pump fund meme coins with just one click and it will cost you 0.3 Sol. Now go to create token section and connect your Phantom wallet. You'll need to fill in some key details like the token name, logo, symbol, and total supply. I'm going to fill my token information right now, name, symbol, and short description for your token. It can be anything from official token, the best token, or something like that. Most meme coins use 9 decimals and 1 billion supply. Choose your preferences and upload an image for your token logo. You can also add social links if you have already created them for your project, then take a moment to review your inputs. Next, configure the token settings. Choose whenever you want your token to have a fixed or mintable supply. With all authorities checked, you secure your token to be trusted by investors and traders, which helps with warnings from DEX and other platforms. Now click Create Token, and after a few seconds, your coin is ready to go. For security reasons, I won't be showing the details of my Phantom wallet in this tutorial, but the process is straightforward. Just approve the transaction in your wallet and your token is ready to go. There might be some warnings from Phantom, but don't worry about this, it's safe and trusted by Phantom wallet. In just a few seconds, your token is created. You'll see a confirmation screen displaying your token contract address. Be sure to copy and save it for future use. Next, let's create liquidity. Go to the liquidity pool section and choose the trading pair for your token. Enter the amount you want to provide. I recommend 90% of the supply in gold token. You can put as many souls as you want, but remember, the more you put in, the better results you get. For this video, I'm gonna put in 0.3 soul. When you're ready with that, click create liquidity pool and confirm the transaction. After confirming, wait for the blockchain to process the transaction. Once it's done, your token is now tradable, and your liquidity will appear here after 2 to 5 minutes. You can add or remove the liquidity of your token. Keep in mind that if you remove your liquidity, the token dies and might be considered as a rug pull. However, I'm not going to remove the liquidity. Then you can navigate to GMGN or DEX Screener and watch your token trading live. And that's it. You just created and launched your own Solana token with liquidity using MyCoinLab. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you in the next one.